Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel for another step-by-step makeup tutorial. If this is your first time of stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. God bless you. Thank you very much. First, I'm using a face primer to prime my face. Next, I'm using a foundation. This foundation is from Maybelline. Is their matte poreless foundation in the shade Classic Tan 335 for my face. Please don't forget to support me, show me love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you very much. God bless you. I appreciate it. I'm grateful. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless you. Next, I'm using a concealer to highlight my face. Blend, 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 blend. Next, I'm using Elegant Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Dark Cocoa to contour my cheek and contour my nose too. And my forehead. Blend, blend, blend. Next, I'm using a pressed powder to set my highlight. Next, I'm using a setting powder to set my highlight and bake as well. Setting powder. Next, I'm using this CoverGirl Ebony Bronzer to set my contour and bronze my cheek and my forehead. Cheek and forehead. Next, I'm cleaning up the nose contour to define it more. Clean up the nose contour to define it. Next is brow time. I'm using David's brow pencil in color 5, number 3 for my brows. David's brow pencil in number 3. For my brows, Next, I'm using a concealer to clean the brows and define the brows more. Next is eyeshadow time. I'm using this light red for my crease as my transition color, transition shade, transition color, shade color, whatever. Next, I'm using a dark red for my outer crease and my inner crease and blend it into my crease. Next, the eyeshadow is the red. I want to darken it a little bit, so I changed the eyeshadow palette and I'm using this dark brown shade for my outer crease and my inner crease. I'm doing the same thing to darken it a little bit, darken that red shade a little bit. Now it's perfect. Now here's my lid. For my lid, I'm using this glitter shade on the eyeshadow palette. It's a glitter, kind of ox blood, dark red glitter. I'm using it for my eyelid. It's a dark red, kind of ox blood, but red in real life, but it's not showing red in camera, but it's red, kind of ox blood red, like that. I'm using it for my eyelid, Glittery eye. Then I'm adding that dark brown shade more. I'm adding a little bit for my outer crease to blend the edges. Darken it a little bit. Next is eyeliner. I'm using a liquid eyeliner to line my eyes with a little wing. Next is I'm using this kajal from Zaron Cosmetics. It's that black kajal. I'm using it for my waterline. Next, I'm using that dark brown eyeshadow shade I use on my outer crease for my lower lash line to blend the kajal too. Next is mascara. Next is false lashes. I'm wearing my false lashes now. Next, I'm using a powder puff to blend my face, to smoothen it. Next is blush time. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup to blush up the cheek. Next is highlighter time. I'm using this highlighter from Younger Beauty. It's their Candid Glow highlighter in the shade Kporkish. I'm using it to highlight my face. Next is Fix Plus. I'm using this MAC Fix Plus spray to set my makeup. Next is mascara for the lower lash. Adding a little mascara to the lower lash. Next is lips. I'm using these two lipstick. One is a Lipstain, then the other one is a lip gloss. The Lipstain is from Cosmetics. It's the Kiss Proof Matte Lipstain in the shade Don't Tell. Then the lip gloss is from Iman Cosmetics. I've forgotten the name I've peeled off, but it's from Iman Cosmetics. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Thank you very much. God bless you. Please don't forget to show me love, support me by clicking the subscribe button. Subscribe to my channel. Support me. Thank you very much for subscribing. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for supporting me and showing me love. God bless you. I appreciate it.